Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to unbox and test this Speedball Calligraphy Storage Set. This is a 11-piece calligraphy set. At first glance I can already see how neatly and professionally it has been packed. It comes in a sturdy plastic storage case which is perfect for keeping all the tools organized. So let's open it and see what we have inside. Now that we have opened the box, let's take a closer look at the contents. Inside we get 2 standard calligraphy pen holders and 8 broad edge calligraphy nibs, all neatly arranged in a storage case. The 2 pen holders are designed to hold different nibs, allowing us to create a variety of lettering styles and stroke widths. Now let's go through the nibs one by one. This is the C1 nib, which is a broad edge nib. Next we have the C2 nib, then the C3 nib, and the C4 nib. Moving on, we have A2 nib, the A3 nib, the B2 nib, and finally we have the B3 nib. These different nib sizes makes the set versatile and suitable for a wide range of calligraphy styles. And here are the 2 pen holders that we will use to attach the nibs and start writing. Now let's select one of the nibs and fit it into a pen holder. Once it's securely attached, we will test it on a paper and see how it performs. Before we begin writing, there's one very important thing you should know. New calligraphy nibs need to be prepared before their first use. If you dip a brand new ink directly into ink without preparing it, it usually won't perform properly. Let me show you what happens when a nib is used without preparation. As you can see, the strokes appear inconsistent and the ink may spread unevenly across the paper. And the ink doesn't adhere evenly to the surface of the nib. If you would like a detailed tutorial on how to prepare new calligraphy nibs correctly, let me know in the comments and I will make a dedicated video on that topic. Once the nib has been properly prepared, the difference is immediately noticeable. The ink flows smoothly, the strokes become more cleaner, and the overall writing experience improves significantly. As you can see, the prepared nib produces crisp, controlled and beautiful calligraphy strokes. That's why it's always recommended to prepare new nibs before using them for the first time. Overall, I am really impressed with the Speedball Calligraphy Storage Set. The packaging is excellent, the nib selection is versatile, and the storage case makes everything easy to organize and carry. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found this unboxing helpful. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe for more calligraphy content, reviews and tutorials.